A lot of bikers out today.
Yeah, nice day for a ride.
Let's say Upper Terrace Drive.
That place looks busy.
Whoa. Looks neat. No time to stop, but it would be nice.
Yeah, even if we didn't have a messed up wheel,
Yeah.
we're kind of running late.
Yes, we are. Oh, that's neat.
Holy shit.
Woo woo. Come on, you're
Come on,
gonna
dude.
get us killed, you big stupid. That curve is blind. There's a big semi behind us.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I was like, come on, man. Sure is pretty.
Very pretty.
I remember why we didn't come up here, because it's such a long ways from where we were at.
Yeah, lots and lots of miles, I don't know how many miles. Probably 100 miles away from our campsite.
Oh.
Mammoth Hot Springs. We made it. Elevation 6239.
Is this it?
Yep, this is it. There they are. The hot springs. Well, this is easily an hour stop. Mammoth Hot Spring. Look at it. It's huge.
Yeah, it is big.
So, well.
And it's busy.
What is this? Town. Is this Gardner? No.
No, this is Mammoth.
It's very busy, and there's a lot to see. That's easily an hour visit. We don't have an hour, so what is everybody in line for?
I don't know. I don't think I want to come back here anyway. What's this person doing?
Oh, it's a gas station. Then it's a general store, and they're doing social distancing, so people have to wait in line to go in it. Somebody let this fella in, please, lady.
No. Not happening.
Oh, there's a grill. It's open. Mammoth Hot Springs Hotel. North entrance. 5.
Gardner, 5 miles ahead.
Yep. That's where we want to go. All kinds of elk over there. Feeding. Lying on the ground. Look.
Yeah, just chilling.
Elk City. Wow. I didn't expect this. I didn't know all this was here. Gardner, right. 5.
5 miles. Watch that hole.
Yeah, Mammoth Hot Springs it's a longer visit than just stop, take a few pictures, and leave.
Yeah.